Beautiful people, wonderful Igbo people, I welcome you today to this edition of Igbo Land Access to Ocean Expedition. I remain your humble servant, Chukwemeka, the Unified Igbo's non-proponent. I am in the beautiful city of Akwete. Akwete is situated in Okwa East local government area of Abia State, Nigeria. This is the Ntubu River. This river is just some few hours to Opobo to Boni. A fact. When calculated properly, this river to ocean, I can guess, will be about 10 or 11 nautical miles to the Atlantic. Just stretch up here is Bonny. From here to Bonny is just about 1 hour 30 minutes through speedboat. Isn't this beautiful? We are edging closer to the Atlantic. But I will make reference to the Suez Canal in Egypt. The Suez Canal is an artificial canal that was constructed in the 1800s to ease and connect the movement of ships between the Mediterranean and the Red Sea. If the Suez Canal is possible, how much more what we have here? It is possible for our ships carrying our containers to travel all the way from Europe, Asia, Americas, and find its way in the shores of Igbo land, sailing through this river. This video, I want it to go straight or to be tagged on the whole Eastern States governors, the senators, and also to the World Igbo Congress. The access to the sea is an important asset to the Igbo nation in Nigeria for a robust economic benefits and development. We are still on this journey. We are only locating these rivers to proper launch our expedition. Hire a boat and sail into the Atlantic while documenting each of our exploits and journeys. All I can ask now is for your kind support. Support this movement, support this project. Support us in any means. We need some gadgets, drones, and any other electronic devices that can aid us to have a successful documentation of this expedition. Write me up and call me, or send a direct message on WhatsApp on this number showing on the screen. Join me on this expedition. Join me as we uncover and rewrite our history. Thank you and God bless you. I remain your own faithfully Chukwemeka, the Unify Igbo's non-proponent. Thank you.